Hi guys, it's Charlotte here from Hills to show you our fantastic new property here on Chesterfield Close in Eccles. This is a superb 3-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see from the front here, we have off-road parking for multiple cars. Let's go and take a look inside. So as you enter the property, you're in the hallway, which leads on firstly to the downstairs toilet, just through here. And then on to the open living space. It's a fantastic living room, nice bay window there letting in lots of light, and it's got the open staircase as well. Additional storage underneath the stairs. Through here we have this beautiful modern kitchen dining area, integrated fridge, freezer, cooker and hob, and then space for your washing machine. And then over this side, so it's got plumbed in for a dryer, but also space for your dining table. At the back here, we have this beautiful, well-maintained garden. Composite decking at the back there, which obviously you can see benefits from the sun. And then we've also got access down the side of the house, back round to the front. So I'm going to take you on upstairs. Property, like I said, is on Chesterfield Close, very popular Bridgewater Development. Perfect first time buy, or if you're looking to downsize, or if you are looking for an investment as well. So up here we've got 3 bedrooms. First bedroom here is a good sized single room, leading on into the second double bedroom through here. And then on into the family bathroom. Got an additional storage cupboard here, and then into the master bedroom with a really good size double room. And I'll just spin around here. You can see they've got additional storage and built-in wardrobes. Properties on this development don't stick around for long, so if you are interested in arranging a viewing, do give the office a call and they'll book you in. Thank you.